Ensuring correct product masking is essential whether generating images with Click or integrating products into fluid images using Try-On. Before using either tool, verify your product is accurately segmented. In Click, the blue masked area remains unchanged. For a complete outfit, like a shirt and pants, both should be masked in blue. Any background elements or model parts you wish to retain in the output must also be masked in blue. For Try-On, check the segmentation by hovering over the product image in the input gallery. You should see a clean outline of just the item, no parts of the input model or mannequin. If this appears incorrect, it might be due to an incorrect product category, or the AI has been unable to identify the product. If the masking is incorrect, the image requires manual editing from the products page for the tools to function. To correct a Try-On mask, click the image, then the pen icon that appears. Use the Magic Select tool to mask parts of the product you want to retain. You can add multiple masks. The Magic Erase tool works similarly for unselecting masks. Toggle between them using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M. For smaller areas, use the Draw and Erase brushes. Drag your mouse with the left button clicked to draw a mask. Adjust the brush size with the toggle button or the displayed keyboard shortcut. Other tools like Undo, Redo, Zoom In, and Zoom Out are also available. You can move the toolbar if it obstructs your product view. After correcting the mask, click Next. Review your product against 3 different contrast color backgrounds to ensure no parts of the input image background remain. If you still find masked parts of the model, mannequin, or background, click Back to return and refine the mask further. Once satisfied with the mask, click Submit.